Hi, my name's Michelle, and I want to welcome you to Great Grey Western Trophy Outfitters. We're located east of Prince Albert, only 2 hours from the Saskatchewan International Airport. We offer world-class migratory bird, deer, and black bear hunts, as well as fishing adventures, and now we're gearing up to be a winter destination as well. Our camp is situated where the boreal forest meets farmland, making it perfectly situated for the activities we have come to love. Saskatchewan has some of the most diverse land in Canada, from the rolling plains in the south to the Canadian Shield in the north. There is so much to explore. It's something we in Saskatchewan should be proud to be part of, this access to such vast territory that other people only dream about, and it's just in our backyards. We've been in operation for 25 years, and we've seen a lot of changes in that time. One thing that hasn't changed is our love of the outdoors. So whether you join us for an adventure or not, we have just one request. You get outside and fall in love with the land, just like we have.